Good morning everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to talk about fractions. This is not a Vedic maths concept, but butterfly method is an easy and a quick method to compare, add and subtract fractions. It's especially helpful when the denominators are different, that is in the unlike fractions. So let's learn stepwise how to compare, how to add and how to subtract the fractions. So let's start with the first example of comparing the fractions. In this first we multiply 3 into 4, which are the denominators. Then we cross multiply 4 into 2 and 3 into 3. So the first fraction would be 8 by 12 and second fraction would be 9 by 12. Now if you have to put this sign, you can easily see that 9 by 12 is greater than 8 by 12. Now let's start with adding and subtracting the fractions. We follow the similar steps of multiplying the denominators, which is 5 into 3. Then we cross multiply 3 into 2 plus, since this is an addition, 5 into 1. So the fractions are 6 by 15 plus 5 by 15. So the final answer would be 11 by 15. Similarly, for subtracting the fractions, let's take the same steps of multiplying the denominators. Then cross multiply 5 into 3, subtract 4 into 1. That makes it 15 by 20 minus 4 by 20. So the final answer would be 11 by 20. So let's take another example of three fractions. So our first step would be to multiply the denominators and cross multiply to make the butterfly wings. We combine the first two fractions and we can use the Vedic math tricks of vertically and crosswise method or even tables till 99, which is also taught in the Vedic maths. So here our answer would be 186 by 216. We can further simplify it by dividing by 6. So the answer would be 31 by 36. Now we take the second step of adding our answer, which is 31 by 36 by 9 by 10. We again follow the same steps of cross multiplying as per butterfly wings. So we multiply the denominator and make the butterfly wings. Using the Vedic maths techniques. Our final answer would be 634 by 360. This can further be simplified into 317 by 180. We can divide to make a mixed fraction 1 by 137 180. Remember to make the butterfly wings, that is cross and then down. Multiply diagonally, multiply bottoms, then add and subtract the wings. And your answer appears like a magic. Vedic Maths makes every topic easy and fun. Subscribe for more quick maths tricks.